Unprecedented power. Check out the next generation of industrial shredders designed to tackle the toughest materials. From motorbikes to car tires, watch as seemingly indestructible objects are turned into recyclables. Don't look away. This metal shredder is the pinnacle of destruction. With its unrivaled power, it shreds through the heaviest metal plates, crushing car tires, and even solid metal rims. This isn't just a video of machinery, it's a breathtaking display of sheer power. Prepare to be shocked by what you're about to witness. Have you ever watched a truck being crushed like a soda can? Get ready to be amazed, because the VTN VD20 is the king of the destruction world, not just an ordinary crusher. The VTN VD20 is the pinnacle of power and technology. The massive truck, once a monster on the road, is now just a toy in the hands of the VTN VD20. Need a machine that can shred anything? Get ready for the power of our industrial metal shredder. Designed to handle any type of scrap metal, from scrap iron to scrap steel, this shredder will shred it all with ease and speed. Increase efficiency, reduce costs, and clean up your workspace. Imagine the roar of metal, the crunch of wood, and the utter collapse of a powerful tool. It is a dramatic and breathtaking display of raw power, a confrontation no one will want to miss. Ever wonder if a crayon could withstand the force of destruction? Or what would happen to a child's toy car when faced with a sharp blade? Watch this epic display of intentional destruction, where everyday objects like a Fanta can, a pack of cigarettes, and colorful balloons are torn to shreds. If you are looking for a way to efficiently process heavy machinery, the VTN Scrap Shear CI 7000 is the ideal solution. It will turn useless metal into a new resource, helping you maximize your profits. This is not just a grinder, but a hungry monster. With its iron teeth, it easily swallows anything you put into it, turning bulky materials into compact pieces. There is only one rule: put it in, and it will handle it. Designed for demolition, scrap handling, and recycling, this shear is not just a tool, but a profit-making machine. Its powerful cutting blade is no match for any material, from steel beams, reinforced concrete, to car tires. With the VTN CI 15000R, you will no longer waste time and effort on heavy-duty jobs. But if a car engine is a powerful heart, a crusher is like a bottomless hunger. The machine knows no subtlety or speed. It has only one purpose: to crush whatever is put into it. Instead of generating power to move forward, the crusher uses energy to destroy and shrink everything. Are you ready for absolute destruction? This giant metal shredder is afraid of nothing. From heavy engines, sturdy I-beams, to even rusty old cars, it can shred everything into tiny metal scraps in seconds. Not an ordinary crusher, this is the Devil Kobelco 1600 TPH gyratory cone crusher, a machine born to challenge the hardest iron ores. With a destructive power of 1,600 tons per hour, it turns giant rocks into dust, affirming its position as the ruler in every mine. No more giant landfills. No more mountains of waste. By recycling, we not only reduce environmental pollution, but also contribute to a more sustainable production cycle. Shredders are the ideal solution to speed up this process, turning seemingly useless things into raw materials for new products. Recycle and destroy everything. This giant metal shredder is not afraid of anything. From old motorbikes, cars, to massive metal blocks, all are crushed into pieces in the blink of an eye. Witness the terrifying power of this destructive machine and see how it tears everything apart. With unimaginable destructive power, this machine easily handles even the hardest metal materials. From motorcycle frames, engines, to giant truck tires, all become scrap in a matter of seconds. This is not just a tool, but a real monster in the recycling industry. Don't look away. The giant machine is tearing everything apart, from motorbikes, cars, to solid metal. Witness the brutal power of this metal shredder and feel the horror in every shred. This is not just a video. This is destruction on the extreme level. And Jelly versus fast shredder. Who do you think will win? We poured tons of jelly just to answer this crazy question. The close-up footage is so beautiful, it will make you gasp. Let's see if our shredder can survive this shaking challenge. Be sure to share this video with your friends. When seemingly indestructible steel blocks face off against the monstrous power of a crusher, it's more than just a routine scrap processing process. It's a dramatic display of mechanical giants. Are you ready to witness the ultimate power? Watch the hardest rocks get crushed into dust in a split second. This is the perfect combination of mechanical engineering and the force of nature. A satisfying and impressive footage. Nothing can resist. This is the king of rock crushers. The confrontation between gas tank and shredder is not a battle of equals, but a contest of strength and cunning. Will you root for gas tank with his thunderous punches, or side with shredder with his artistic cuts? This match will show which style reigns supreme. From the toughest objects to the seemingly indestructible, can Shredder crush them all? Prepare yourself for breathtaking footage, loud explosions, and total disintegration. Don't throw it away! Witness the power of the world's largest, most terrifying destruction machines. In the blink of an eye, they grind wrecked cars and scrap metal into dust. Witness the car being torn apart and crushed, leaving behind a pile of completely deformed metal. This is not just a shredder. This is a spectacular display of destruction. The integrated vibrating screen helps to classify the finished product accurately, ensuring uniform and high-quality output, suitable for many uses, such as producing wood pellets, plywood, or as biofuel. In the world of giant machines, a dramatic duel has taken place. On one side is the tire, a symbol of durability and flexibility, born to conquer all roads. They have rolled on asphalt roads, crossed rough slopes, and faced all the challenges that nature has to offer.